Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change theme in your Xiaomi Poco M3. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy the Xiaomi Poco M3 and you are wondering how to change theme. In order to do that, you need to click on the phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and then you're going to find here themes. Now you can see this is the classic themes currently I have. You can go choose with the limitless themes. If I click that, this is going to be the preview how it's going to be looks like. Now let me make here apply. Now you can see just now I had changed theme in my Poco M3. If I go back, I will notice my phone is changed. It's now appear everything new graphic icon and etc. So in this way you can easily change theme in your Poco M3. Let me make the default one which is classic. In order to do that, again I'm going to click here setting, scroll down and then I'm going to click here themes. After click over themes, I'm going to click here classic and then I'm going to click here apply. Now you can see I had successfully changed my theme in Poco M3. So this way you can easily change theme in your Poco M3. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.